This is Bliss Namaste, doing a tour of using the Aigera era spaceship. So this spaceship has been giving me some problems. It has not been cooperating at all. So I am going to try it again to see if I can get things to work. One thing that I have been having trouble is getting the commands to work. So I think by just clicking the microphone here and clicking it on, it should activate start, but start, and nothing seems to happen. So then I'll just go ahead and type start, and that's usually the way I get the spaceship to start, so that part's no problem. And right now I'm in hover mode, so I know that I have to get into flight mode, and I'm ready to take off. And once I try to get into the mouse mode, this is where the difficulty starts. Well, actually here, because once I'm in hover mode, I can't seem to control the ship except for going straight. I can't go to the left or go to the right. But anyway, so then I'll go into mouse mode. And I have trouble getting the thing to I have to get it a certain, in a very precise way, or I can't control the ship. Now I can control the throttle. I can see the throttle is at 10%, but one thing I notice is that when I'm in the mouse mode, or if I get a little bit away from the Prometheus, the arrow begins to shake a lot. It's very jerky. But notice that I can still control the thrusters. But getting it to look in a certain way so that I'm inside the cockpit, then it doesn't seem to do it properly. And so right now what I'm doing is scrolling the mouse to get it just right so that I can see from the cockpit view, but then this happens. So I'll go back into hover mode so that I don't go into deep space. I can get away from the thing on the bottom. But even in hover mode, if I get away from the ship, the ship is very jerky. So I think it has something to do with my computer. It's possible that my computer is too slow. But I have been able to get the mouse mode to work so that I can control it from the cockpit view, I think twice, but it's very inconsistent. So I like to go right around the ship so that I know exactly where I am. So I use that as a reference point. And then this is where I will try to go back into flight mode. And then let me just make sure my combat system is on. And now I will go into mouse mode and we'll try to go into cockpit view. Okay, well, no, I thought I had it.